How to fix Rainbow Six Siege failed to synchronize data for cross-platform. For this first step, you need to restart your device. Before that, open up Task Manager, search for Rainbow Six Siege. If it's running in background means you need to end the task completely after restart. And come to next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it, click Allow App Features through Windows Defender Firewall and click Change Settings. Scroll down and search for Rainbow Six Siege. It should enable in both private and public. Make sure it. Scroll down and search for Steam. It should enable in both private and public. If it's not having means click allow another app, click browse and you can add it. After adding, click add in the bottom side. Click OK in the bottom side. Close it and come to next step. Search for command prompt. Right click. Click run as administrative and type the following text. ipconfig space /+ DNS. Click enter. Second command netsh space winsock space reset. Click enter. The third command netsh space int space IP space reset. Click enter. At last exit it. After completing, come to next step, synchronize your system date and time. For this, click settings, click time and language settings, click date and time. Enable the set time zone automatically and set time automatically. After enabling, make sure the synchronize now. Click it and synchronize it. Close it and come to next step. One more time, click settings, click network and internet settings. Scroll down, click advanced network settings, click network reset and reset your network. Click yes and reset it. Once reset complete, after come to next step, open up Steam, click library option, right click games, click properties, click install file and click verify integrity of the game file and wait for some time because it's actually verifying your files in your game. Once it's complete, after it will throw up the message successfully validate is completed. After restart your device. Thank you.